We are at the Great Lakes building in Toledo. It's a lovely day today. We've got an old SchindlerHaughton here. Tenants provide access to the elevator motor room? Oh, that's weird. Oh, a swing mount SchindlerHaughton panel. I've never seen that before. Oh, it's a little broken. Let's get that down bell again. We'll stop onto it here. The indicator doesn't work. All right, anyway, down to 1. There's your panel. Send it up and listen to it. There's a sensor and a bumper. Oh, look at that. That's a weird little thing. They have like a little sensor under there. It's like a little foot light sensor. That's interesting. Huh. It's a weird little Haughton feature. Anyway. Okay, that's it.